Look who I'm with, guys.
What's up, you guys?
Outdoor Habits. I told you I was gonna see him tomorrow, and look,
yes,
he's here.
we had to do it, man. I'm back out with my brother David, so yes. White bass fishing.
White bass fishing. All right, guys. So we just made it out here. I told you guys in my last video that I was gonna meet up with Outdoor Habits. He's on the log. He got the platform here going. So make sure you guys check out from his camera angle. Links down below. And yeah, man, I don't know. Not much to say. You guys already know what's going to go down. Today is Harvest Fest. You know, we got to ready to catch some white bass. We're going to try to keep as much as we can before we got to head out. So stay tuned. And I don't know what else to say, but we're going to have a blast, dude.
It's a beautiful day, man. Just got to be out here, guys.
Beautiful. Glass calm. It's amazing. So I'll see you guys. All right, guys. So we're back at the stomping ground. Outdoor Habits is walking on water at the moment. So I'm gonna catch. He's gonna work the left side. I'm gonna work the right side. We already know they're here, man. I know they're here for sure. Damn, what is Dad doing? Oh, I forgot to mention our dad's here too, and he's creating a village over there. Yeah, it's still kind of early. Yeah, they're here, bro. Oh, got one. Yep. Yep. Well, let's see if I double up. I'm just gonna let it run. I'm just gonna let it run. See what happens.
Let's go, David.
Oh, he's gonna run to the trees. Dang it! No, he's going to the trees. Go, get out, get out, get out. Oh. Yep.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Yep.
It hasn't even been 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Just...
There you go, guys. First white bass. Second cast in. And we're on. You want it?
I'm good.
Just keep it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just keep it. Okay. We did say it's Harvest Fest, so we're gonna harvest today, guys. We're gonna be true Hmong today. So John got a little fancy. This is something that Jesus used to use back then, right? Peter and them. Yeah. Got one. Little guy. I'm gonna see if they double up. Watch. Oh, he's not doubling up.
Double up for us?
No. Oh, you got one? Nice. Yeah, it's on fire bright and early, guys. Another sheephead. Oh, white bass. Yeah, bring it over. Here, throw it. You got it? Throw it, throw it.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna toss it.
Just toss it over here. Yeah.
There you go.
Nice snag, dog.
Oh, dang, my bad.
Told you the net was gonna come in handy. Here, just throw it. Throw it. Yep. Oh shit. We're good. Transportation at its finest. That's how you Uber for white bass. I got one on. Let's see if I double up. Just let him run. Oh, he's going right into the tree. Crap. No, 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 not right there, not right there. Yeah, they do that, yeah. It's alright. We got a situation here, guys. There we go. That's what I was afraid of. But it's like, if you want to double up, you just gotta let them run. And then eventually they'll just run into a school. You'll end up getting another one on the line. You guys seen it in the last video. Got him. Oh, it was a nice one. Let's see if it doubles up though. I'm just gonna slow reel it. Yeah, you just gotta hold it there and then eventually it won't come pick it up. Oh, I think I got two. Nope, nope. Tree. You got the tree, damn it.
Your second, the jig got the
yeah, I knew that was gonna happen.
Let him go, let him go, let him go. Let him, yeah, yep, let him swim up. There you go.
It's a nice one too. Yes, sir. Man, these baits are killing it, bro. The new baits I got?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's bigger. These new baits are killer right now, man. I love it. Got another one. Let's see if he takes. Let's see this too. Go run it. Stay over there. Stay over there. Ah, no, they're not gonna take it. Dude, this lure works like magic, bro. As soon as it drops, they just grab it and resist it. Beautiful white bass. Good eats. Come on, double up, double up. Stay over there, stay over there. Don't come over here. Ah, he's coming over here. Just trying not to get him to come over here, but they just can't resist it, man. Love this swim bait. Non-stop action. And when they eat it too, it's gone. It's crazy. You got one? Hey, nice. Dang, I got one too, bro. Just way out there. Come on, double up, double up. No, stay out of the tree. Huh? Oh yeah.
This is tinker. Guys, actually raw 3D sea carp. That reminds me of tilapia. You like tilapia?
Alright guys, so let me talk to you guys real quick about what's going on here, right? Because I can show you guys I'm catching fish all day, but what I want to show you are these new Lavy 2.0 swim bait that we got going on here from Ballsy Baits, Griffin Tackle, non-stop, okay? So these are, I believe, are the 2-inch. They're great for crappies, smallies, white bass, anything you could think of, man. They are just so universal. We got the pearl white. And the, like, I'm not sure what this color is at the moment, but this is like that, it's like that gray, shiny with pepper flakes. So they are great imitation for bait fish for early spring, fall time, summer, even summertime, man. I rig it up with a 1/8 ounce jig head. Okay, the other one is a 1/16 somewhere. This is the 1/16 ounce. That's my tandem rig right there. 6-pound test fluoro. I don't have much to say other than they work amazing. You guys see us slaying them. Again, so make sure you guys check it out. We got all sorts of color on the website. I'll leave the links down below. Ballsybaits.com. Yeah, give them a look. They are awesome. And I got one. All right. Come on, double. Come on, come on. Run. Stay over there, stay over there. Oh, it's not staying. They just like run towards you when they get hooked. There's a tree branch right here, so I gotta avoid it. Dude, this guy's a big one, dude. Better fish. Yeah, it's a better fish. Much better fish. You see when they eat this swim bait? Oh, dude, it's a nice one, bro. Look. It's a real nice one. Yeah, when they eat that swim bait, man, it's gone, dude. Inhaled it. Look at this. Swim bait is devoured. That's how you know swim bait is working really good. Oh, got him. There we go. Twice, dude.
You see your face, David?
Yep. Yeah, dude. You hit it twice. Oh, it's a nice one, dude. Do it again. Oh, bull landing, bull landing. Oh,
get your strong hand.
There we go. Look at that thing, man. Look how beautiful that fish is. Man, how do you say no to that? Just can't. Hey, fight so hard, dude. Oh, don't let me get you snake. Don't let me get you snake. Get him out.
Oh, come on.
John's on. Oh my God, he's huge. Here's the net, bro. Here, you got it? Dude, he's massive. Oh my gosh, dude. Whoa.
Daddy. Off the balls.
Bro, that is giant, dude. Bring it over here. Yeah, you're gonna have to go over there, bro.
So this, I like this.
Yeah?
Good.
Okay.
Good lighting.
Alright. School.
Got school?
Alright, like 3 hits. So they're coming up again. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh yeah, it is a big one.
Nice one.
Yep. Oh, and you get stuck. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Much better white bass. Yeah, this morning it was all like them little males, which is fine too. Now we're starting to see the females come on play. Again on the new swim bait, the Lavy 2.0. White bass fishing. Yeah, yeah.
My nephew by Tonga there is killing over there.
Menu black.
Yeah,
That's pretty
we got by almost 7.
Yeah,
we got a bucket over there.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. Yep. Yeah, I lost something big over there too. Yeah.
What is this? It's huge.
I'll help you.
Dude, this one's heavy.
It's probably a pike. Yeah, it's probably a pike.
Mark your point, Dave. Red button?
Yep, red button's shiny. I think so, yep. It's probably a pike, yeah. Because I broke off earlier too. I don't know what it was.
Yeah, it feels like a pike, bro.
Yeah.
It feels like a pike. It's either that or a big old sheephead.
What's up, dude? Red button's good, yep. This will fit, right? Yeah, you got it.
I think so.
It's probably a pike, yeah. 'Cause I broke off too. I don't know what it was. I thought it was just a snag. Oh, John, this is part 2. We're gonna do this again. Your guide is good, right?
I think so, dude. It's a really old rod. I'm about to bring back my Stella. Off the boss.
I don't know what this little net's gonna do, but it's gonna do something. Is it a flathead? Oh, it's a channel.
Oh,
That's why.
oh,
I got you.
oh my
One of those
God,
fights so
catfish.
weird.
Yeah, let's go, dude.
My net works. That's a nice catfish,
Dude, he
dude.
bit the chatterbait with the
Jeez.
bossy baits on it. What a channel. That's insane. Man, we thought it was for sure it was a pike or something. It fought pretty long.
He's heavy, bro.
Look at that, guys.
I don't want to get him out the net, but
Good job.
all right.
All right.
Good price.
Get him on the camera.
Yep. I was like, yeah, this thing's fighting way too long to be a pike, dude.